Today I'm going to be replacing this door ajar switch on the 2008 FJ Cruiser. My interior light stopped coming on when I opened the door, and that's what told me it was broken. I attempted to rebuild it. The inside was all corroded, so I cleaned it up and put a new spring inside because the spring was broken. But I couldn't find a spring strong enough, so I'm just going to replace it. So you can see the lights don't work, but if I pull the grab this pin and pull it out, you can see the lights do come on. So we'll just use a 10mm wrench, pull this bolt out. With that bolt out, this piece will just pull straight out. Might be a little stuck with the rubber on the paint. I've already had this out pretty recently. But there's just a little tab to push down right at the back of the connector here. The old piece will come right off. I'm not going to let go of this wire that I'm holding down here because it might fall back into the door. So I'm just going to grab the new unit and you'll plug it right in. There we go. Yeah, so that is a pretty short piece of wire coming out there. Would hate to lose that back inside the door. And I chose to put a little bit of anti-seize grease on the bolt because it was pretty rusty when I pulled it out. So that'll just keep it from rusting further. And there it is, all installed. Something I forgot to mention at the beginning, it's a good idea to put these next to each other to make sure they look the same and look like they'll fit the same before doing the install. And that's just a kind of a general note for all parts installs. Hate to get halfway through putting something in and realize it's the wrong part and have to put it back together again. So that's just me. But I'll keep this one as a spare because I would say probably 50% of the time it does work, but this one should work 100% of the time. And we can see that the interior lights are on right now. And if I close the door, they do shut off. Thanks for staying tuned. Would appreciate it if you could give a thumbs up and subscribe.